What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have something in my trunk right now that I'm super excited to install. This is probably like one of the moments every car channel is always waiting for, is when to upgrade the exhaust. Like that's a monumental peak right there. It's like, you know, you gotta do your research, you gotta pick one, you like this style, you like this style. I found this. Actually, well, Tristan, I want to say thank you to him, hooked it up with one of the top exhausts I was looking for. I was looking at the ARC, I was looking at the MXP, I was looking at the ISR, everybody was telling me to get that. And I found this one. And thank you, Tristan, so much for letting me have your old exhaust. Yes, it is a used exhaust, but that's okay because it's in great condition. We have all brand new gaskets for it. All the mounting and like all the brackets are still in great condition. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in the trunk of my car and then we'll get started. All right, hold on, check this out. Boom. There it is in all its glory. So it is the MXP catback exhaust. It did come with a downpipe, but I'm gonna do something with that for a future video. The tips are still in great condition. I cleaned it up as best as I could. I mean, you know, weather and eroding over time can only do so much, right? Mother Nature, she's a cruel mistress. So we're gonna go to the shop, we're gonna jack this thing up, we're gonna install that exhaust, and we will not have this stock exhaust anymore. Say goodbye to the stock exhaust and all its quietness. All right, let's get to it. Those are my keys, camera, keys. All right, let's get it. All right, so we made it to the shop. We're gonna jack this car up and we're gonna inspect on either how bad the exhaust is underneath or how good we're doing. So it'll be either easy to get the old stuff off and put the new stuff in, or it's gonna be a nightmare. So only time will tell. Yeah, I'm gonna get the exhaust out of the trunk. I'm gonna put it everywhere and then I'm gonna jack up the car. So I'll see you guys in just a minute. All right, let me show you what I'm looking at. So this is my old stock exhaust, and I guess it held up pretty good. We had an exhaust leak right here. The brackets are in good condition. What I'm a little worried about, where is it? Is these bolts right here. This is my cat. My cat has an exhaust leak as well, but don't worry, we'll place that soon. But it's these bolts. They're a little rusted and corroded. I'm gonna hit them with some PB Blaster. It's good to inspect underneath your car every once in a while. Hopefully it's not too hot anymore. No, okay, we're cool now. Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. I mean, look. Well, it's only from here. That's the heavy part. This thing's heavy as shit. But yeah. So I'm gonna lube these up with some PB Blaster. Whoop. My own personal stash. Yes. Just gonna. Oh, missed it. There's the nut. Yeah. Get that one. There should be one over here somewhere. Yep, there it is. Sniper shot. I missed. Don't judge me. Then one over here. All right, so I'm gonna get an impact gun and start impacting away. it's got to be a 3/4. I mean, that's getting really big. It's really bad at this. I apologize. Yep, okay, it's a 3/4. All right, so the impact gun, it's a big thing. So I don't know how we're gonna get to this one up here, but let's just start going away at it. They had a swivel. One not done. I love impact guns. I'm gonna take this off because that'll probably be easier to take just this whole pipe out. And then we're gonna sit you guys right there and watch me struggle some more. All right. Ow. That was easy. Yeah, this one I may actually need a pry bar for. Got it. All right. My hands are dirty. As you can see, the old exhaust is out. There's a bracket here, and there's a bracket. This one's still on. We're gonna keep that there. And yeah, they were holding in the big bitch. Whew. All right, now we're gonna come address this. I don't know how to get those out. I don't know if I can I'll probably clean these threads up and try to mount them with the bolts I bought. So I'm gonna ask them real quick if I can fire this bitch up with no exhaust, because we all want to know what that sounds like. All right, so just ask them a question. They're totally gonna let me do it. I'll be right back. Okay, so if this is here and this is here, what am I about to do? I'm super excited. If you're wearing headphones, please for the love of God take them out. I apologize on behalf. I'm just gonna leave the exhaust off. I'm out of here. I'll see you guys later. Totally worth it to make everyone hate me. Should we do it? Should we run no exhaust? I think we should. I think we should. Hondas do it. Why can't Hyundai? It's close. It's like spelled the same, almost. Honda, Hyundai, annoying, annoying. Yeah, it's spelled the same. Alright, let's get the exhaust on. Okay, so I checked. I don't have bolts for this. So, oh boy. Get off there. Okay. I do have a new gasket and everything. It's just I don't have bolts for these thread. It's okay because I'm gonna upgrade all this shortly down the road, because it's a pretty aggressive exhaust leak right there. I guess these held up the test of time, excuse me. So I'm just gonna use the old shitty rusted bolts. I'm just gonna clean them up real quick, and because these are the right thread pitch. All right, so I'm gonna clean up the surface area on this just so the new gasket has something to weld to. I was trying to go at it with this, but a gentleman over here recommended something a little bit better. Thanks, Charles. After a crap ton of cleaning and zinc dust everywhere, I have now come to the conclusion where I can round up everything. So I'm gonna put some anti-seize on this. I put a new gasket there. I'm gonna pretend like I cleaned that, and we're not gonna talk about it. That's getting replaced anyways. So I'm gonna grab the first pipe. We're gonna mock everything up, kind of like, all right, I'll go grab that. So this is gonna go through here on to that. Alright, I'm gonna get this in. I will get this in. Alright, so I'm gonna tighten up that one. So the exhaust is in. It looks good, except, okay, so this side looks perfect, and then this side looks, oh my god, what the hell happened? So I'll probably try to fix that with a hammer or something. I mean, there's really no restoring that, but I mean, you know, we could round it back, we could cut it off and have a new one put on. We'll probably do that. But hey, I mean, looks good. Just gotta tighten it up now. So we're gonna tighten it here. You know, get everything down. Then we're gonna move back here, tighten it. And we're gonna move back there, tighten it, make sure everything lines up. It's honestly, for the system it lines up pretty nicely. I think once everything's tightened down, it will sit a little bit more flush. Hell yeah. Professor, can you come check my work? Thank you. Yeah, everything looks good. I'm gonna wipe it down with alcohol. All right, we'll start up here. Nice little rundown. Everything I touched. Yeah, especially right here. Back here. Or here. Nothing right here. My head is resting. I'm gonna grease off. Ew. My hands were dirty. Alright, let's fire this thing up, see what it sounds like. First start up, we're gonna take a listen. I'm gonna let you guys sit right there. Jack up the car. It sounds better. We're gonna jack up the car and check for exhaust leaks. Yeah. goes back there. All right, let's get the car out of here and go play with our new exhaust. All right, I'm gonna drop the car and get it the hell out of here. All right, bye. Whew. All right, so we got the new exhaust in. It's looking good, it's looking aggressive. We're gonna address those tips later on down the road, see if we can kind of get them back to, you know, something. Hey, look, it's smoking and it's completely off. This bitch hasn't been running forever. Now, this exhaust has given us safe driving conditions for 70,000 miles. It has been on this car the entire time. It has done its job. It has served its country. Moment of silence. Yo, it feels like it sounds so much more aggressive. Hold on. It's like the intake all over again. You just gotta hear it. This is so good. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, it's really bad filming. I gotta like prop you up somewhere. It just feels so good. It's so much better. Oh my God, yes. It doesn't do it justice. Like, it never does. I don't think that's gonna hold. That's definitely not gonna hold. Nope, didn't hold. All right, so I'll see you guys back at the house. We'll do a little overview and yeah. All right, I'll see you guys there. All right guys, so we made it home. The exhaust sounds great. I love ripping it around town now. Like it's just so much more lively and throaty. Yeah, I guess just hear this real quick. That's so good. So good. So, yeah, what more to say? Thanks for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate all the comments, all the likes I've been getting. I'm super happy about it. And yeah, more parts on the way. Well, we gotta figure out the downpipe thing. So don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Take it easy, guys. Bye.